I'm going to be reviewing this Hoover powerdash carpet cleaner that I found at Walmart today for $78. I've been wanting to get the carpets clean lately, but I thought, why when I could spend $78 and do my whole house by myself whenever I feel like it? So far I filled up this water tank. There's a line that you fill up to hot water, so super hot water. And then there's a line that says solution. After you filled up the water, then you put the solution in there and you flip the tank over and push it down in here. You fire it up by the red button and the gray button. You push it and it pulls this arm back. When you click this button and hold it down, it pours out the solution as you're going forwards and backwards. When you let off of it, it stops letting the water and solution out, and then it starts sucking up, and it's got a heat dry on it as well, I guess. So we're gonna fire it up and see how it works. See, there's a heavily walked area in my basement right there. You can kind of see the nastiness on the ground. Let me move this camera. See how dark that heavily walked area is compared to over here. Stain is gone. And look at all the dirt it left on my linoleum. That is crazy. Look at all the nastiness. Look at all the hair. I could not believe how dirty my carpets were. Here is my front door rug before and after. Super clean. I would highly recommend this product to anyone. I do have a hairy cat and a 3-year-old toddler that's quite messy. This was a great purchase, and now I don't have to hire a carpet company to come clean my carpets.